Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this maths question. We're supposed to prove this on the left equals to this one on the right hand side. So let's start with the left hand side. Okay, so we have 1 plus, this is a double angle formula. So sine 2x is equals to 2 sine x cosine x plus cosine 2x. There are three formulas. So we will use 2 cosine square x minus 1. Okay, divide by the same one at the bottom, which is cosine x plus sine x. Okay, so now we simplify the top. So 1 minus 1 will no longer be there. So we left this one over here, which is 2 sine x cos x and 2 cos squared x. Okay, so I'll put the 2 cos squared x in front plus 2 sine x cosine x divide by cosine x plus sine x. So you can see there's a common factor on the top, which is 2 cosine x. So I take out the common factor 2 cosine x. So I'm left with cosine x plus sine x divide by cosine x plus sine x. Okay, so you notice this top one can cancel off. So now I'm left with 2 cosine x. And this is exactly equals to the right hand side. Okay, so I have proved this equation. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.